Venus on Hack My VM. Let me go ahead and there we go. Yep, doing Venus on Hack My VM. So if you go to Hack My VM, go to HMV Labs, then you'll be able to find Venus, and from there we're going to there's like 50 different levels to it. So what we're going to try to do is get through those 50 different levels, or see how many we can get through in one day, I guess. And pretty much, yeah, we start off with a user password, port 5000, and a host. So let's go ahead and SSH in this guy. So let's go ahead and make directory Venus. I already did a few of these, so but I haven't gone very far with it. So let's go ahead and do a SSH and do, yep, exactly that. Hacker at venus.hackmyvm.eu. Notice the capital P 5000, and then the password is going to go ahead and be have fun exclamation point. All right. Let's go ahead and cat mission.txt. And we see that user Sophia saved her password in a hidden file in this folder. Find it and log into Sophia. I'm going to go with that one. So let's go ahead and cat that guy. And it is, okay. Now we're also on this machine. We can go to flags. And we can start putting flags and everything. See, I got to level 7 out of 50. So I haven't really done anything yet, right? I don't know what show pass is. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. So I could actually, I didn't even know I could do that. Cool. That's way easier. All right. So let's go ahead and SU into Sophia. All right. It says user Sophia. And that's her password. So we'll go ahead and we'll, all right, CD back into Sophia. And cat the mission. We have the user Angela has saved her password in a file, but she does not remember where. She remembers that the file is called whereismypath.txt. Okay, so we can do a, let's go ahead and scripts, find user text.txt instead of that. We can go ahead and we can do a, and we'll try whereismypath.txt. When we copy that, like right there, let's see if we can get anything up here with that. And we do, and user share. Let's go and cat that. All right, awesome. So now we can SU into Angela. CD in her home directory. Cat findme.txt. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and cat that mission then. All right, it's on line 4069. Okay, so we can do a cat tag n to look at numbers, right? And findme.txt. Then we can grep for 4069. And that's going to be for user Emma. And there we go. So let's go ahead and SU into Emma. There's hers. All right, let's go ahead and cat that mission.txt again. And we have Mia has left her password in the tac. Okay, so for this one, we do a cat tac /tac. Since it starts with a tac, we have to put that tac in there to tell it kind of to exit out of the cat command kind of thing. Like to don't run any of the stuff, don't run the next tac as part of the command. Like how we did a tac add, don't run it as that. So there we go. So let's go ahead and SU into Maya. Oh, I think I just typed their password wrong though. Okay. Cat that mission.txt again. Now we have, it seems that the user Camellia has left their password inside a folder called Here I Am. Okay, so this time we can, actually we might just be able to use this like right here. Or we could change that to directory or something like that, like type. So we should actually be able to do a, name is going to be that, and I think type would be directory, right? But name would be Here I Am. Try that. try this. I don't know if that's actually going to work like right there. Yep, opt here I am. Let's go ahead and cat that opt here I am. Here, okay, cool. There we go. So we have, who's that? Camila? And who did I leave off on? All right, let's go ahead and cd into her home directory. All right, we got this MUAC folder right here, cat flags. Flags, oh, cat mission. All right, the user Luna has left their password in a file inside the MUAC folder. Okay, so now we got to try to find our password in there. So, if you want to cd into MUAC there. There we go. So as I'm doing now, I'm just grepping for just letters. All right, because everything else in here is pretty much blank. All right. So it's all pretty much the same size. There's a couple that are different sizes, so you could look through those like right there. But instead of doing that, I just kind of just grepped for it. And it did, let me see here, it was 110, wasn't it? 111. So if we actually go back up, let's try to look at 111. No, that didn't help out at all. All right, 111. Oh, I just looked inside of 111, never mind. It's actually 111, 111. So, grepping for just random characters in there. Like ABC, that's what I did like right there. There's probably no better ways to do it. But that's just the very first thing that I thought of whenever looking at it. And let's see what that user's name was again. So let's go ahead and SU into Luna. CD into home directory. Cat mission.txt. Alright, for Luna, we have the user Eleanor has left their password in a file that occupies 6969 bytes. Okay. To be able to look at bytes, we could also do stuff. We can look at the size, and bytes is a C, not a B. So we could use something like this, except for we're going to look at for by size. All right, so we go ahead and size, and it's 6969 bytes. So bytes is actually a C, like that. All right, and it says in a file, so we should do attack T, or type should actually be an F because it's a file, right? So we could try to find this, see if we find anything. And we do. We see this boon.txt. Let's go ahead and cat that like right there. All right, and that should be Eleanor's password. See it back in the home directory. All right. The user Victoria has left their password in a file in which the owner is the user violin. All right. So now we have to find something where the owner is violin, right? So what we could do is this time we will find, and I believe it's going to be freaking user, right? User. And I believe it's actually be violin. I think it's going to be like that. Not Victoria, because it says that the owner is violin. Okay, we try that like right there. All right, there we go. And now I believe that was the last person we actually got. So now we're going to be started having to look some stuff up and things like that. So let's go and SU into Victoria. All right. Grab the flag. Cool. Got another one in there. Let's go ahead and cat mission.txt. The user Isla has left their password in a zip file. Okay, so we could always just, okay, password.zip. Can we just unzip it? Okay, permission denied. Cannot create pawn. Permission not owner to create process. Pawn Victoria password.txt. Okay. I wonder if we just can't create to this folder. So let's try a unzip. I think it's tac O for out file. Overwrite files without prompting. No, that'd be overwrite files without prompting. How do I save it to a different directory? Extract files into extract directory. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do that. Unzip password.zip tag d /temp pass. Can we do that? Yes. I mean, that'll work. I don't know if that means that somebody else already did it before me, but there we go. So we got we now have Isla's password. So let's go ahead and SU into Isla. Back into home. Grab that flag. All right. Let's see what we got here. Password of the user Violet is in the line that begins with that. These 5 characters are not part of her password. Okay. So right there. Facts. So this must be your password, like right here then. It says that begins with, right? So let's go ahead and try that as his password. SU into Violet. All right, cool. Password user Lucy is in line that ends with this. These last 5 characters. Okay, we could probably just grep it again, in all honesty. Cat end. And then there we go. Two easy ones in a row. Password of the user Elena is between the characters FU and CK. Okay. That's actually not that hard, like right there. Just right here. That was not as difficult as what I thought it was going to be. All right, cool. We found that one. Grep for the win. Whoops, as always. And what was that user's name? So we just did grep for the last 3 ones. Grep for the win. User Alice has her password in an environment variable. So environment, env. And there's the flag. I wonder if that's also the password like right there. That's probably the password like right there, huh? Oh, password right here. Okay. We already put the flag in there, right? Wrong flag, okay. Password's right here, it looks like. Or why did I just do Elena? I'm already in Elena. Alice. Alright, cool. CD back into there. Make sure I didn't miss one. Or if we just got someone else's flag. The admin has left her password of the username Anna as a comment in the file password. Okay, that's your password. And there we go. There's Alice, right? And who are we looking for? We're looking for Anna. Okay, so nothing in there. They said that they left it in a comment. Oh, it's a comment, so it might not actually show up, huh? Unless they meant to say Alice. One minute. She left it as a comment, then it should have pound sign with it, and I'm not seeing anything. The only thing I'm seeing is the one that's Alice's. Let's go ahead and look at Alice now. I don't know if that's the password I just used. Okay, so nope, they actually put Alice's stuff in. That was weird. Okay. CD back into there. So we're Anna now. Maybe sudo can help you be okay. Let's see. I don't know why I just tried that. Obviously, it doesn't make any sense. No password bin bash. Let's go into su sudo attack al. Run it as Natalie or Natalia, whatever it is. Bin bash. Attack you. Otherwise, just try that attack al. Attack you. There we go. We also have our password like right here, in case we need it. Password user Eva is encoded in the base64.txt file. Okay, so let's go ahead and decode that. Cat base64.txt. Base64 tac D. So there we go. Shooting to Eva. Mission.txt. See what we got now. Password for the user Clara is found in a file modified on, now I gotta look up how to look for a certain date of a file. So we'll have to look that one up. Let's see here. All files have been modified on a specific date. Yes. Modified on that date. Okay. Let's try that. So he's looking for files that are modified that between that day and that date. We just need one of those, right? So we just need that like right there. Then we'll just go back to a slash here. We want to find everything, right? We don't even care about the dot. And we want it on May 9th, 1968. So that's going to be 1968. May is going to be the 5th month. May 1st, 1968, excuse me. Should probably do a little dev null here. Stop. Oh, God. Stop. Oh, boy, I messed up. Oh, boy, I messed up bad. Okay. Is this any newer than that date? Like, do we actually want to do like a... Do we actually want to do that exclamation point? Do we actually want to do something like that like right there? Long4 Jackie, how you doing? Offsec prep, hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Let's see, do I have to do that like right there? Okay. So nothing there. I wonder what M time would be. How would we be able to figure out how to find M time in Linux? Find date. M time. Let's try that. I wonder if I could just do that like right there. We'll say 1968. And that's going to be for everything, right? Try May. I wonder why, because it's not looking at everything now, is it? Can I do an attack R? Or can I put attack R for grep? Can I do that? Okay, so at least following that stuff like right there. All right. So can we do like a... We just need to figure out what the M time is for something. say not newer, so we can say newer and not newer. So we could say find slash type is just file, right? We could say newer than temp start, not doing temp end. How do we got this? Okay, touch date. Okay, that's pretty cool. Touch date, so we'll say 19, I guess 67, whatever. We just say 1968, tac 04, tac 01, right? We say something like that, right? That'll be temp start. And then we want temp end. And this could be 0502, or we'll say 0520 or something like that. Okay. Then we can do this. We did not put it in the dev null now, did we? Stop. Nothing. Is mtime command in here? Great. So we also don't have mtime in here either. Oh, that's in the find command, right? That's all I was thinking, something like that. Because it definitely said, let's go and cat that mission text again. So we should be able to do May, really. And just try to find the whole thing. Totally forgot about dev null again. But if I knew what the hell the mtime was, then we could be good. Yeah, that. Let's try something like this, like right here. Slash dev null. The fuck? What happened up there? Did I not type it incorrectly? Okay, that's super weird. $1968 0501. Nothing. And maybe it's a directory. Nothing. God damn it. This one's kicking my ass, huh? Anybody else got any ideas? I mean, feel free to type them. Nothing. So I don't think there's anything actually made 1965-0501. Maybe he confused April with May, or 1968. They should find anything made after 60 days from there too, right? There was no files made at that time. So this could be real hard to do. File modified. The password declarer user is found in a file modified on May 1st, 1968. I don't think there's anything modified at that time. All right. Because the M time is just like, it's just a number, but I don't know how they actually get that number. Why would the year only be 3? Okay, it is, what do you mean? Year, day, month? It's not, because if that was the case, then somehow we got the 24th month up here. Like one of them would be like the 24th month, which obviously doesn't exist. So, because I was thinking that at first too. But however, so the thing that's typed out for find shows it as year, month, day. I was thinking that same thing. Okay, let's do this. We need a calculator. No, exit out of there. That was a joke. I got an idea. We just need a calculator. Alright, so we want to find a file that was made in 1968, right? We are currently in 2023. So if we take 1968, which this wouldn't even be correct either because of leap year, but 20075. So let's go and find slash, start with slash, right? Type, it could be a file, M time, should be around that time, right? 20075, okay. Don't know if it's going to be a minus or a plus. But that wouldn't be correct either because of leap year. So this could be everything because every single thing was made after freaking 1968, obviously. So let's go with like 1950, right? So let's say, let's change this out to 1950. 26645. Oh my God, stop. Every single thing in this file system was made after 1968. I got it. Yes, I am sorry. Actually, you know what I think I actually want to do? I actually want to do that plus. Let's make this like a. Nope. Yeah, no. Because there's a lot of files made in 1968 that are on the system. That's what I'd be looking for in real life. We should be able to, looking at it like this, with the plus there, right? That should look for any file that's older than that date. So right now, I feel like maybe I have to bring this number actually down. That'll make no sense. The fuck is that? This is it. I have no idea how I got it. Okay, well we got it. I have no idea how the hell we got it. So, okay, so the plus for M time, right? What that should technically do, it should look for any file that is older than that time. Now, what the hell this time equals, I have no fucking clue. But I feel like that's, we might be getting into, like BC time frame here. But I have no idea how we just got that. Well, that's not the first time I have no idea how I did something. Okay, well, yep, that was it. We're just going to pretend like that was correct. We're like, yep, that was correct. Okay. Let's go ahead and cat that flag like right there. We're just going to, yep, that's how you do it. Obviously, first try. Obviously, that's how you do it. Just throw random numbers at it, and yeah, we did it. The good news is I never have to do that again. Let's go ahead and cat that mission. Pass protection zip, rocky.txt can help you. So let's go ahead and actually get that file back over to us over here, right? So let me go ahead and look at my notes like real quick, because I do have notes on SCP. Might be under SSH. Okay, so we're going to SCP. Actually, use Python here. Okay, cool. Actually, I have no idea what the hell the IP address is. Guess I could just use might I actually be able to get that? Yep, okay. Okay. I think I'm actually going to a totally different site. So let's just go ahead, we're just going to SCP it over. So we're just going to use SCP. Right, and we need pretty much her Clara's pass like right now, right? So let's go ahead and look at our passes so far. Let me just grab Clara's. And we're going to, this is going to be through, damn. venus.hackmyvm.eu. I want SCP over that file, right, from her to me, right? So that worked? I just want the damn port in there. That's what we need now. So, that capital P is a port, okay. So confused. Should be that. That should be the file, like right there, right? Oh, probably need to do a little bloop. There we go. All right, so now cat or ls-la fcrack zip. I always forget I use fcrack, but I know I do have notes on that. I always feel like the fcrack zip. There we go. Pass 1, 2, 3. So we can SU into Frida. That's a beautiful name. If it was name is Frida, I apologize. You know it's not a beautiful name. Don't get mad at me. Oh. Unzip protected.zip. Never mind. You fucker. There you go. That's you into Frida. What is her damn name? Frida. What was I thinking? Frida. Whatever the hell her name is. There. Alright, let's see here. So I did flag Z. I swear to God, this is going to be like, they repeated the password. I'm not going to be very happy because, I guess it wouldn't really be too bad. We could just fucking find all the slashes. Take from the slash back and do it like that. Ooh, we've had to do this Mr. Robot. And that is to go ahead and delete everything that's repeated, right? So we want to do unique, right? So it's like that. There we go. There's a unique one. And Mr. Robot, we have to save it to another file. Let me go ahead and actually save that like right there. I was going to say, that's not the second time I've had to do that now. Put that underneath fcrack zip or like right here or something. Save that. All right. So we have that now. I forgot what the hell her name was. Do we ever look at that flag? Do we have Frida? Yeah, we do. Okay, we already looked at that flag. Whatever. Try again just in case. Alright. Let's go ahead and SU into Eliza. CD there. iris key. This probably just could be an SSH key then, right? Yep. We are on Hack My VM, and we are working on Venus, which is like a 50 different flag thing. It's just kind of moving throughout users in an easy manner so far, except for one of them. But that's kind of moving throughout users in an easy manner. Iris key, and then I'm going to say iris at 127.0.0.1. I don't know if we need to change mode this guy or not. Nope, we do not. Okay, cool. Did we ever actually get her Eliza's even? No, we didn't. Yeah, that's what I just realized. Like, wait a minute. There's gonna be just 19. It's gonna be missing. Like, oh my god. At least does the show pass thing? Yeah, at least it has the numbers next to it. So if you skip one, then you could be like, whoopsie daisy. All right, cool. So, whoops. All right, let's go ahead and cat that flag real quick. Then we see our password right there. But we're about to see it over here also, so not a big deal. And then we'll go ahead and we'll look at that mission. User will state their password in a particular way. Okay, gonna go with what's in here. She stayed in a really fucking annoying ass way. That's what she did. Who does that? I'm gonna just try throwing a cyber chef like real quick. We'll see if cyber chef can figure out what the hell it says. Do you do this for fun? I do. This is actually a good time to me because I'm pretty much an asshole. Okay, so it looks like this is an image somehow. But that says base 64 or B64. So I'm gonna go with that means base 64. So let's go and check out that file. See what the hell this actually is. Okay, no, that's text. Okay. Okay. I think I know what's going on here. I think we have to do a file tag. Okay. So yeah, it seems like it's an image. So we have to save that into most likely it's a JPEG. Okay. Base 64 tacd los. We gotta save that into t.jpg or something like that. Permission denied. Of course it is. I think we're probably have to do that over in a temp, huh? What? I can't always tech LA and temp? That's annoying as all hell. Okay. So can we cat this file now? Should we strings it? There's some weird ID in here, isn't there? Did I do A or did I do J? What did I do? T. I don't know how I picked T. I wonder if what I already had, I wonder if this is the password. That seems way too long though, doesn't it? With what we've been getting? That seems really long, like right there. Just decodes. I'm thinking we might, but it's an image, right? So let's go ahead and SCP this again. And this one is Iris, which we actually need her password. Let's go ahead and it tries to kind of like figure out what it is for decoding. So okay. Oh, man. There we go. Okay, cool. So there we go. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Okay. Let's go ahead and do something with this. Then we'll type it in. And who was that for? That was for Elosi. That's you into there. So we got a Y, capital O, U, capital. That looks like an I would think. IV0 SHO NB SPM. It's gonna be amazing if I actually type it in the right way. Yep, that's kind of what I thought. Is that a 1 or an I? I'm gonna go with it's an I. Oh, right to everybody. What's going on here? Zero SH NV SPM. What is the problem here? Is this? That's definitely an O, like that. Is that a 1? Hack my VM is free, yes. I don't think it's a 1. Yeah, it looks more like an I to me. Why is it not? That's correct, isn't it? Like right there. And we have her password now. So now I'm really confused with what's going on here. Is it an L? Or just a, not, yeah. There we go. Is it a lowercase L? There we go. It's lowercase L. Okay. It's an L. I like how everyone's just posting in the chat. You guys are just posting up what you think it is, but it all looks like the same letter anyway, so I don't fucking know what the hell you're typing. But someone wrote out I-E-Y-E. Let's go ahead and get that flag. Probably gonna take a break here in a minute also. What we done? I mean, that's 21 so far. Maybe when we get up to, yeah, let's like, when we get up to half of them, we'll take a little break. We'll go from there. Let's see, we got this mission.txt, and then we have hi there, so hi is obviously be something. Usually this has been created and saving her password. She probably wasn't created, she's probably just an asshole, Lucia. Like hexadecimal? I mean, she wasn't really creative, I want to say. Here now you can see CyberChef do its thing. You know, refreshing is probably actually going to be a better idea. Oh, you fucker, seriously? Can I just do that? Yes, I can. Control A, by the way. There you go. CyberChef did this thing. See how it automatically figured out that was a hex dump? Then there you go. So, you guys see CyberChef do a thing. Um, I don't think that is wrong. Because that's definitely a hex dump like right there. We could try it this way. Why is that one so much different? Is it because of the spaces? Because I've never had it to where that didn't actually work. Why is that so different? Now I'm confused. It's because of spaces that's messing with it? Whoops. That one's the same as what we got over here, right? So why is CyberChef doing some weird crap with it? Because I've never had CyberChef mess up with like that. That one's got way different. Okay, so if I do from hex, so hex dump from hex. There we go. Okay, cool. Delimiter, we say space. Okay, cool. There we go. All right. So I was like, what in the hell? So let's read it 2 different ways. So I'm going to SU into Lucia. Okay. Check malicious domains. A rant. What do you want me to rant about? Do you have anything, Matt, that you're thinking about for a rant? And it's gonna piss me off. Any good recommendations? Check malicious domains. I don't know. That's like a John Hammond type of thing. I have no idea. Life? Rant about life? I like my life. Life isn't too bad. It's not too bad. Let's see here. Let's um we'll take a quick break and I'll do that rant. So we are on, let's see here. Lucia, right? So let's go ahead and cat that mission. Alright. The user Isabel has left the password of the file XDG folder, but she does not remember the name. However, she has dictionary text to help her remember it. Oh yeah, that's fucking super helpful. Man, Lucia, you gotta calm down. That's the most unhelpful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Unless if this is an actual flag, like right here. That would be real helpful because let's get her password. Did we get her password? I don't think we're supposed to do it like that, right? I feel like we're not supposed to do it like that. Let's try to figure it out first because I feel like that's not the way we're supposed to do it, like right there. Just throw that in there. Um, but that's, let's see here. How would we find her password? All right, so we want to find, wouldn't dictionary.txt also show us it? We just gotta find something that's a little bit off. We found that like right there. Let's go ahead and CD into there. Let's go ahead and cat. Well, actually, let's do an ls tech LA. XDG. What do we have here? Oh, that was super helpful. I guess we just have to find if there's anything within there. Can we grep using a file? No, I want to grep using an actual file, like. Take patterns from file. Okay. Just tac F. We get permission denied. How are we supposed to brute force that if we can't actually read anything on it? I can't look at anything in there. I feel like if we can't look at anything in it, then really the only way, okay, so we can look at the exact file name if we know it, but then that rep should have been able to see it, right? If it's taken that, so we're gonna have to try to figure out how to look at it with like a link, right? You know, how would we loop through it? That's what I'm trying to figure out. It's like, what would we do? Link for file. See if this thing has it. No, of course not. Why would it? Okay, let's see here. So we should do something like a link for file is file in like for file in that do that was that file done. Okay. So something like L equals read or read tag R, something like this. Line. I think we should have that like right there, right? Do read link. Do read link. And then the frickin' path, right? Let's see, XDG. And then we would have to put down our line. Right? And then we would have to look at the dictionary. So done. And then just dictionary.text, right? There we go. All right, cool. Thank you. Yeah, that's the idea. Yeah, you got it. That's the idea. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. That was good thinking. Okay. So there we go. Let's go ahead and actually save that one like right there. I'm just going to throw this into here. There we go. All right, cool. So we copy that, and we will now SU into Isabel. Isabel did not help us out at all. Cat the flag. Okay. Cat the mission. This is the only string that is not repeated. Okay, so unique. That doesn't help out at all. Also the attack D. Maybe just unique. Oh, Jesus. Okay. The only string that is not repeated. Attack you. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and see what this one's all about. User Alexa puts her password in a .txt file in free every minute and then deletes it. Okay, so supposedly puts it here every minute and then deletes it. So there's no cron job running like right here. So what if we just sit here and just do this all day? Or I wonder if it could be deleted immediately after she puts it in there. You know? So we want to now pretty much see while there's something that's not equal to 0, let's go to cat it, right? So we pretty much want to do a not equal to 0, right? Then from here we want to cat that. We want to do something like that, right? Free star, right? We need something to end it with. What happened here? Oh, I need it done. Okay, we don't want all that. We do actually want to. Now we should just have to wait a minute, right? Yeah, we need it done. Forgot about that. Do I need the semicolon at the end? Should need a semicolon at the end. There we go. All right, cool. Who was that for? Alexa. What's up, Steel Runner? How you doing? RoboSith, how you doing? Let's go and curl that. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Moon. Thank you very much. Let's go and curl that. Says that's online. Cool. We got their password. Let's go ahead and make sure we throw this flag in first. I almost forgot about that once already. And we'll go into that person. Seems that Ariel don't save the password for Lola, but there was a temporal file. Huh? Whoopsie daisy. I don't know what that means. I don't know what they're trying to say there. So they didn't save the password for Lola? That's annoying. Okay. Nano on here? Yes, there is. Okay. Okay, that's even more annoying. That's just as annoying. Okay. Okay. I just want to quit. Okay. God damn it. I fucking hate whenever Vim does this bullshit. There. Thank you. Okay. So we need pretty much just need a word list, huh? Only current password. Okay, so we pretty much got to brute force it, I think. Is that it? Is that all of it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's an easy day. We can do that. That's an easy day. We want to do this. We'll copy all this, right? Then I copy that, like right there. So not Control-Shift-C to copy. And Vim. Hey, Panda Filmmaker thinks off the file. Is it not Control-Shift-C? It's not. That's, of course it's not in Vim. Why would it be? So Control-Shift right mouse. Really? Nope. Oh, maybe. Nope. Fuck you, copy and Vim. It's just Control-C? Nope. Set mouse. Huh? Man, this is annoying as shit. That's why people download other frickin'. This is fucking. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? This is fucking dumb. Vim things. There. Thank you. What was this person's shit again? Fucker. There's no changes made. There we go. What was this person's name? Ariel? Shit. What the hell is this thing called again? See if that works. Mm. 0 passwords found. Okay. Um, oh, for Lola. LOLA. Let me actually take a print screen of what you actually sent up there. All right, so we got the password there. I'm taking a print screen like real quick. There. All right, cool. So we got this password right here for Lola. All right. We're probably going to end this soon also, because it is getting late here. What we got here? Select the list of names possible .html pages where to find your password. Okay. Guess we could just curl every single one of these. Jesus. Great. Okay. So these are all .html pages where she may have left her password. But if it's all HTML pages, then shouldn't we just be able to find it within var www.html? Shouldn't we just be able to do something like this? I'm wondering if it's actually even going to be HTML, just var www. We could also try to do a port forward and do it like that, right? No, we want a path, don't we? Do we need a type for this one? We want a path for this one. We shouldn't need a type. We do need a name. Let's try this like right here. Path should be and it might just be var www also. Nothing. Okay. Now the question is it actually HTML? Nothing. Damn. Okay. I have to put a little, since we're using a star this time. Try some. There we go. Okay, cool. Cibola. We should also be able to port forward that though too. Okay. That's a pain in my ass, like right there. Do I have to curl it? That's not going to work. Obviously, we'd have to curl should just be able to curl that. Probably have to curl freaking we would have to curl. Would it be Cibola.hackmyvm.eu? No, it doesn't make sense. It would have to be .eu/Cibola. Damn. HTTPS 127.0.0.1. Yeah, localhost. Yeah, 127.0.0.1 localhost. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's try that 127.0.0.1. Just see. Yep. Now I'm also wondering, could we have port forwarded this guy, right? With like an SSH attack L, you know? I do have port forwarding on here. We should be able to do that too. Eight, right? Should be able to do something like that too. I forget if the first one is my local or it's their local. I always forget. So I think it should go like that. I think it's like that. I always forget which one is which. Probably it's like that. Oh. 1 second. Never mind, not 1 second. That was a joke. If I'm doing a port forward, can I change the port on this thing right here? It should just be like that, right? Or should it be like? I always have a lot of people watching, Audrey. 23. I actually did not expect that. That was a joke. When I said a lot of people, I thought it was gonna be like 4, but that was actually just a joke. Wow, what's up? You want me to stop? Hey, give me like a couple minutes, 1 second. All right. Oh, someone redeemed rant. I need something to rant about.
Supposedly US dollar isn't going to be the main currency anymore. It's going to be the China.
All right, so the U.S. dollar is not going to be the main currency anymore. It's going to be the China, whatever the hell it's called. I guess that, yeah, that's a good rant. Backyard game ready. Thanks a lot for the follow. Probably the best training for web application test. Backyard gamer, it all depends on how far along you are.
And that was
If
just a
you're,
rumor I heard. I haven't actually researched
yeah,
into it, but I'm sure that'll send people on
if
rants.
if you are brand new, try hack me. If you know what the hell you're doing, hack the box. So yeah, I would start and try hack me then, and then work your way from there. But yeah, the
They might
so
have like a
whatever the
monthly.
Chinese one is.
I don't know. Supposedly, like for deals, like
So
other country deals, they would always solve it by paying X amount of money in US dollars. But
yeah,
now, supposedly, Russia and China made a deal that they're going to start using
I heard about
Credential
that. I heard that
Cracking.
Russia and China they made a deal that they would
Yeah,
start
and now they're
using.
trying
Yep,
to convince everybody else to
yep.
do it.
Here's the biggest problem with that is that I've obviously been to a lot of different
I
countries,
actually
and
Googled it, and the $1 is like 8 point something China dollars, whatever the fuck it is. So
yeah,
the American dollar is still,
it's still stronger.
yeah.
But I
So it
mean,
makes no sense.
euros are stronger than American, but most. So if you go to other countries and you try to bargain, right? I've seen literally a freaking Chinese person and a Filipino person bargaining with each other in English and with American money. They don't.
You're gonna start losing people.
No, I won't. I mean, if I do, whatever, I don't care. But but I mean, I guess that's a rant.
It was
I
a
mean,
rant. They wanted a rant.
that's not really a
Are you
good
making
rant.
a
Yeah,
laughing face?
it's not gonna. No, that's a laughing face.
Oh,
If I heard you gonna start losing people, oh, whatever. But I don't think that's gonna happen in our lifetime. I mean, Russia's proven that you can't really trust their dollar like right now because they literally ran out of gas one country over. No, camera's not on anymore. But they ran out of gas one country over, so they've already proven that they can't really be trusted with funding. So, all right, good night. I love you. All right, so we've forwarded the port, right? I don't know if that was really the rant, Grisaic. If you want to do another one, I 100% will. What's up, Slowsies? How you doing? Thank you. All right, so we forwarded this port 8888, right? That's what we just did. Sorry, my wife wanted to talk to me about some stuff. So let's go ahead and check out. Um, okay. Oh, that was way easier. Actually, that's not what we want at all. I don't know whose that is, like right there. We got somebody still. We got somebody else's. But then if we were to use like, let's say, Buster with it, so we could always try Buster with that file that they had, right? So this file like right here, so we go ahead and grab all this, right? Let's go ahead and copy that over. Make our lives like a little bit easier here. So let's go ahead and actually sublime web.txt. All right, we'll save that. Then we'll do a Buster for web.txt. And we'll do this under 127.0.1.888. Let's see if that works. So it did not find it. Oh, we want .html, right? So we want to have .html. So we're going to do attackx.html. See if we find anything. We do. Cibola.html. And there it is. So yes, that will also work that way too. So let's go ahead and exit off here. Stop to put the port forward. All right, let's go ahead and SU over into I don't even know who. All right, so Celeste. Access MySQL, but for what? Okay, let's go ahead and check out. I wonder if it's going to be his password or if we just have straight up access with no password there. Probably going to use password, huh? Let's try first off MySQL attack use Celeste. Okay. Attack P. Tell us this dude's password again. There we go. Okay. Show databases. Use Venus. Show tables. Oh my God. Well, we got another flag here. Let's go and grab that flag. Okay. I don't know who the next user is. Do we actually have like who like the next user is gonna be in that mission? But for what? So we got a lot of different stuff in here. Could always try Hydra like right now, or we could try to figure out. Ma looks pretty good actually. Let's just stop like right there and see that one. We may actually want to. We're gonna have to. Let's do a. We're gonna have to save this. That's what we're gonna have to do. And then what we're gonna have to do from here is. Really? I did greptech R. I don't know why the hell I did greptech R. We're gonna have to find out who is the same in both of these. So in Sublime db.txt, whatever. Okay, close enough. Whoops. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to see if we can figure out what these people's passwords are pretty much. tired of doing that already. Oh, I guess I'm not too tired of doing it. Okay. Whoops. Okay. So there's only 50 users. Uh, Backyard Gamer, Sec Plus, I mean, it'll help you out with the theory of it, but it's not going to help you out with the, like hacking the machine, stuff like that. Just really with just the theory of it and stuff like that. Sorry, it took me a minute to get to you with that one, like right there. So let's see here. Okay, we got, are these in order? I'm wondering. Lena, Alice, Anna, Natalie. It kind of look like they're in order, don't they? We already did Alexa. Who we on like right now? Celeste. Nina would be the next one then. So it looks like they're in order. Is there a Nina in here? There is. How many? There's one Nina in here. That's it. Okay, cool. So it looks like they're in order, so that might actually be it. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Cool. Yes, there is because you learn a lot of stuff in it. Now, I'm not a penetration tester at all. I don't do penetration testing at all. I am a network chief. So, and before that, I was a field wireman, which was literally one of the dumbest jobs in the Marine Corps. So, I am not a penetration tester. I don't even have a chance to do DC. I just did a rant. Here, let me at least stop the video for this rant then. DC, what do you want me to rant about? Number 29. We gotta keep pausing the video, start back up. It's gonna be the most weird YouTube video ever. You're gonna be over here, then all of a sudden it's gonna be banana spider. Giving people heart attacks. Let's go ahead and cat that flag. Cat this mission. Let's see here. User Kyra is hiding something in there. We may be able to curl it and get it. May. We'll try it. We're gonna try curl for it, but we may have to actually bring it back down to us, huh? Yeah, okay. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to do the port 40 again, bring it back to us, and then look at it, I guess, from there. So, and we'll try to find it from there. Or should we start trying some different methods? Yeah, or like a post or something like that, like TechX post or get or no, okay. Um, ooh, is it curl options, right? We can see what options they have for this thing, right? Is it curl tech options? That was TechX. There we go. Put. Now why can't I get the options though? Is it lowercase x for options? Where's that? I've used it before. It's weird. I could have swore I did with a lowercase x though. Could not resolve proxy options. Yeah. But now I've always done it with the space also. Alright, well, doesn't look like A though, so I guess we got it. We got it with a put. So that'll work. Whatever. Cool. So there we go. And what was that for? That's you into Kyra. Make sure we're on 30. It was moving a little slow. This Veronica visits, that's a lot. Okay. So do we have to like steal a cookie or something? What is this? What are thou? User agent stack A. Right? For agent, right? Yep, user agent. Okay, that was easy. Easy freaking day. Let's go. User Veronica uses a lot of the password from Lena, so she created an alias. Huh? So she uses that password. So I'm wondering if is there 51 users? She created an alias. Okay, that was easy. That was weird. Did we already get Lena? I feel like we already did Lena. Nope, we have not. User no one loves to compress her things, I can tell. Can we just do a gun zip and decompress it? Isn't gun zip just gun zip? And then, that's all it is. Okay. So, it's a tar file. So we would have to Like that, right? Yeah. Hey, read and wrap 2. Thank you very much. What in the hell? How's that? Not file. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind. Yeah, tabtar. Duh. I put it where I want to put it. I'll 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 look at it when I want to. All right, there we go. We have like, well, we have changed users, what, 33 times now with this one SSH. We should probably just like re-SSH into it at some point, huh? Before we explode it. Alright, the password is surrounded by trash. Hate to see it. Just like the army. Must be surrounded by the army. Is that right, DZ64? This is Hack My VM. This is Venus on Hack My VM. Is that it? Did I just find it? Just by scrolling up and just looking around for a second? Let's try that. Wait for your wait for DC to get me on that one. That's you into Maya. We do have the lowest living standard. I'm just talking about, like personnel wise. Okay, that was not the password. So we're gonna have to cut out all this trash, I guess. Let me see here. I guess we can string it, huh? Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Like maybe just try strings. Oh God, it's starting to move a little slower. Yeah, right. You guys wouldn't know what to do without us. I wonder if this isn't that what we already got though? Was that thing right there? Is that what we already tried? Maybe I didn't copy it correctly. SUMAIA. I wonder if that slash is part of it. I wonder if this slash is part of the password, like right here. And we're the only branch that's not even a real branch. What are you talking about? It's because the Navy can't get off a damn ship. They don't know what to do. Alright, so some of this stuff may not be in it, right? So let's try, we'll try from there back, from behind the one. Try like right there. We'll try it from the one. I'm gonna have to get rid of some of that crap. Oh my god, this is gonna be pretty bad. What about to get rid of the, oh, it's probably slash n is probably a new line, huh? Now I think about it. So, yep, slash n is a new line. Yeah, okay, yeah, you saw that too. So, slash n is a new line. Hey, they already tried to get rid of the Marine Corps, but America wanted the Marine Corps. They're like, no, we still want it. That's what we're here for. We're here to F stuff up. That's about it. Alright, what we got next? Mission. User glorious forgotten the last 2 characters of password. They only remember that they were 2 lowercase letters. That's fucking super helpful. Can't we just do a crunch? Oh wait, we just want every single possible lowercase letter. 2, 2, and then don't we want it like every single lowercase letter? Oh, it actually just did, didn't it? For 2 letters. Thank you, crunch. And then we could just put those. Do that like right there, right? We can. How am I gonna do this? Like right here. Oh no, no, no. They're all great. Oh, I wasn't really. Let me see here. No, they're all right, kind of. So let's see here. So we have every single possible letter formation here, right? In that one thing, right? So now we need to add how do I add 2 files together? Or we need to repeat this. DZ, how would I do this? I need to repeat this a bunch of times and then put this file in with it, right? The other file in with it. Or can I just create, I should be able to create like a bash script for this, right? Or like a Python script for it. Because we need to get all those together now. We already have, we just need to like repeat this thing. Can we just repeat something like 18 million times in here? We could literally just, but that's not gonna work. Well, actually, it actually would work if I did this, in all honesty. Whee! I could just do that like right there. There, that should be funny. Now if I go ahead and sublime my lower dot text, and oh god, maybe that's not actually funny. When I get down to 344, 676, I mean this is like the world's like slowest way of doing it, but I mean we could just do some of that. Now we're moving. That's actually not gonna work. Yeah, this is like the world's like slowest way of doing it, but you know. Sometimes slow, you know. Slow and smooth. Crunch has a prefix. Are you serious? Crunch has a freaking prefix option? How do I do that? Why wouldn't it actually? Now that I think about it, like, I'm like, are you serious? But why wouldn't it in all honesty? Min max options. Well, what are your options? Refer to the man page, you assholes. Min length, max length, character set, number symbol, string, specified when crunch stop. No. Merge tag, use tag. Tells crunch to generate words that don't have repeating characters. I just want prefix. Specifies the file to write. Specifies a starting string. Tac S. Oh, you got tac T though? Prefix? Pattern. I believe it's tac S. Start block. Or it might be tac t add at. We'll try that also. Tac s. Oh, that's not that. So this is a prefix for crunch. So 2 minimum length should be 13. Oh, because this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13, 14, 15. Because we want 2 in there. So you're saying tac t. Something like that. As apparently specified. But I want to add 2 characters onto it, so this thing's kind of being an asshole like right here. I feel like it's not actually grabbing. Tac app character list, tac t. Okay, I see. So we want to do looks good. Oh, you actually just put it in there. There we go. So let's go ahead and save that to lower dot, or we'll say letters.txt, whatever. And then we'll hydra this. Gloria. What do I call it? Letters.txt. And this was, I forget what the hell it's called already. $5,000. Let's go and try it like right there. Thank you. That's freaking sweet. Damn it, Gloria. Remember your freaking password. Ooh, Chad B. Noobs Online. I could skip my alarm. Hey, DZ64, you know what we get out here in Okinawa? We get freaking spring break. We just have 4 days off for no apparent reason. Because we're trash. No, I was kidding. Yeah, we get freaking spring break, dude. Greatest. Just 4 days off. But it looks like it's going to rain for those 4 days because, you know, we're on tropical islands, so. Of course it is. Although on Saturday, I was supposed to go karting like it's what's it called? Like Mario Kart kind of thing. So I'm super stoked for that. We've done it once before. It's a blast because you just drive on the street. Like you just drive down the street, so you're just driving next to cars, these little ass go-karts. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be failed to ban because we already did it once. We already did a thing once. So I'd be really surprised if there was failed to ban on this thing. Hopefully it's not number 598 or 676 because we're here for a minute if it is. Wonder what Chad B. Noob's doing. Says this thing's taking forever. Oh, he's doing work. He's working like right now. Probably do a few more of these to send people over there because it's 11 o'clock at night here now. I'm listening right now. I'm listening to what you guys can't hear, or else we wouldn't be able to go on YouTube. Oh, it's actually Fallout Boy because it's just in a random YouTube thing. Let's see here. Listen to 21 Pilots. That's what we're gonna listen to now. Oh man, this thing's gonna take a minute. $223 tries now. Not too much time left. Yeah, listen to Heavy Dirty Soul now. Ah, man. Oh man, excuse me. All right, let's see here. Nothing really much else we can do like right now, except for just wait. I just hidden flags so far. I don't know what this is all about. Hidden flags? I don't know. Don't know what that means just yet. But I didn't have that many as last time. Well, it's only allows from local login. This thing didn't also do uppercase, right? I didn't see uppercase in there. No, it did not. Okay. I mean, while this is going, we could do crazy med. It's another hack by VM machine. Could do that. See if we can get through it before Hydra finishes. I highly doubt it. Strange. This thing's taking a minute down here. Memcached. Well, with Hydra, with SSH, you could only do so much at a time. It only allow you to do so much. Let's see here. 11211. See if that's. Yeah, this is memcached. All right, let's see what's about. Memcached is all about. That looks way easier. Oh, I thought we found it. Not too many more to do. Okay, not too many. All right. What do we got here? We got stat dump. I've never seen Memcached before. Let's go ahead and try this out, like right here. And that's gonna be for .28, said right? I believe it was. Yep. That looks like it worked. Looks like it did something. All right, cool. All right, it's pretty cool. Memc dump. Does that work? Domain server log. Okay, we got a log in there. That's something. Get info inside the items. Yeah, let's do that. And then it has. Can we do that? Oh, we got password. Do we have a user? I have a password for something. But I don't know if we have a user yet. We're still waiting on that thing down there. We actually might complete this. Do we need like a password? Yes, we do. Oh, we finally got it down there, but now I just found a password up here. Give me a second. Hey, yoo-hoo. Give me my password. Alright, cool. Oh, just something. Alright. Let's go ahead and throw this password in there. We'll work on that some more. And this was for Gloria. Let's see what this. Go ahead and throw that flag in there. Cat mission.text. We got image here. Steganography. I'm gonna go with there's something in that image, and there's probably gonna be some type of. I'm gonna go with what is it? We need to get that image first off back to us. So let's go ahead and SCP it over. I think I'd have SCP down by now with this one. And then image. All right, get an image pulled over to us. There we go. It's a okay. It says ASCII text, but I think we could probably throw that into a QR decoder and see what we got here. This is on desktop. It's going to be a hack my VM, and it's called image. We have it in Venus. I feel like that shouldn't be a. Yeah, okay. It's a QR code, but let me see here. Why didn't it? I think we want to resave that as like a JPEG, right? Like I don't, it's a QR code, but it's not gonna be able to. There it is. It's a QR code, but this one can't read it like that. So, or if we look up like ASCII QR code decoder. Yeah, that ain't gonna work like right there. Yeah, pretty much. Show a short piece of text code below. This is generate QR code. Alright, so this is an ASCII art, okay. Oh man. I don't really want to solve it. I want you guys to solve it. I just want print screen crop equals solved, huh? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. That's not a bad idea at all, actually. No shit, huh? I've never had actually saved anything before. I've just always copied it. No shit. See, that's called thinking out. See, I'm getting tired. That's called thinking outside the box, like right there. I'm getting tired because I don't know what I'm even in. Hack my VM, Venus, save. Okay, good frickin' point. Now's the black gonna mess with it. That's the next question. Do we have to go to not so dark mode? This thing is taking a minute. I've never seen it take that long. Yeah. Wait, did I click on image again? No, I clicked out the PNG file. I think we're gonna need to make this white. So we just need to. We're gonna have to invert that, right? So I think you can use this thing to invert it, can't we? There we go. Now save that as that. Push it. See if that works. It does not like that at all. Just copy ASCII code to it. What do you mean? Oh, there we go. Okay, someone's got one. Okay, cool. Thank you. Let me go ahead and grab that, like right there. Someone found one that we could utilize. Charlargello. That's good. Generate though. Looking for decoder. Ah, we're already here actually. Decoded QR contents. Yeah, that one's to encode it. We want to decode it. That's not working at all. Try it, but I think it's going to give us another QR code. So you think just generate this, but then that is just going to be this. It's not going to be the actual password. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of dumb. Can't decode that. This one's still trying. Like, obviously, you can't do it, big guy. Yeah, like right there. So that's not going to work. Jesus Christ, though, dude. I don't want to make a QR code. I just want to decode a QR code. There's no decode. That's not going to be it. Once these things can make the damn QR code, like, yeah, that's cool and all, but yeah, that's even better. Uh, failed. This is it's like this is not going to work. Whatever we're doing here is not going to work. Save your password as. I wonder if it's the password. No, just save your password as period. Yeah, like this is not an ASCII art QR code is not going to be fucking broken. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not how. Like this is the hardest part of this whole thing. We got a problem. Like, thank you. Jesus fuck Christ. Just ASCII to JPEG is all I want. I don't want ASCII art. God damn it. Nobody. Why do people care about ASCII art so fucking much? ASCII to JPEG. Ah, JPEG to ASCII? No, ASCII to JPEG. I hate the internet. I hate computers. Yeah, like I don't understand why the thing on the actual site just wouldn't be an image. And I don't understand why this is getting so fucking difficult to convert it to an image. Like we're about to stop this one like right here. I don't know what we're gonna do after this, but that worked fucking excellent. It's 1.67. Yep, this is working great. Maybe Cyber Chef can figure it out. I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. Does it even have QR? It actually does. That's the little recipe. Let's see here. Can't even load that thing actually. Oh, that's a loaded folder. Open file. Invalid file type. Okay. Generate QR code, but it's just going to generate. The problem is it's going to generate this, right? Like that's what it's going to generate, correct? So it shouldn't generate anything crazy here, right? Let's see. Let's see here. Like, this is the most difficult thing I've done today. Is this? This one's taken the longest. I mean, that's kind of dumb. Like, DZ, do you have any ideas on what to do about this? Idea for a new project? Really? Because it gave me an idea of fucking how to never store a password. Because nobody would ever store a password in this. We tried that. Yes, it just gives us that again. Well, how do I convert it? JPEG to John? What's that? Alright. Let's see here. Send it to DZ, see if he can do something with it. Well, shit, I don't even have it on my freaking regular machine here. Nope, DZ didn't actually say the whole thing. 1 second. Let me go in Notepad. I spelled stupid wrong, whatever I said to you, just so you know. That's how stupid it is. Oh, no, I didn't. There you go. Like, ASCII, really into anything. I was thinking like JPEG or PNG or really anything. But just ASCII to image. Venus, let's see here. We got, what's called, what did we call it again? I don't remember what the image. Didn't even take the whole thing, did it? No, it didn't. Yeah, it didn't even take the whole damn thing. See how it's missing that, all that crap over there? Yeah, it's not taking the whole thing. Supposedly, that's 35. Supposedly. But that won't. What we got here? What'd that just go to? I know you can read the QR code from the image because it cut off half the QR code. Cite you in the basics for the image. Yeah. And then a whole bunch of ASCII art bullshit. Image to ASCII converter. I want ASCII to image. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, it's about to be, this is dumb and I'm about to stop. God damn it. Let's do this dumbassery. This ain't gonna work either. I wonder if I could just read it, in all honesty. I wonder if I could just actually use a fucking phone and just read the damn thing, in all honesty. Which I don't ever suggest you actually do this. It is trying to read it though. Okay, let's try with Firefox. We could just read it, which I highly, highly doubt. Yeah, I can't read shit on here. It has no idea what the hell to do. Should I zoom out some more? Something like that. Yeah, they can't. Still nothing. That's as far as way you can go, like right there. Nothing. Nope. Oh man, you gotta love it. Can't give an image. That'd be craziness. No. No. Can't decode anything. You don't say, because it's fucking pound signs. Alright, we're about to send everyone over Chad B. Noob. Because the last hour this thing has been trying to decode a fucking pound sign, so, you know. Like, that's a little bit old. This is fun. The Python ASCII to image script online. Where at? Alright. Probably not, but we'll try it. Nothing else to try. Shit. You know? I'll say screw it and just look it up. See if like somebody else done like a walkthrough to this thing. Pass the image command line input. Image path. This is just gonna, yeah. This is ASCII to, This is ASCII art. This is the ASCII art. Alright. Well, that was a fun thing, I think. I don't know. I know, honestly, I have no idea. That's. Let's see here. I don't know what mission we're even on. 30 something, right? $36. This guy supposedly there's a file image on the same directory that has a lot of pound symbols. However, I zoomed out, turned right, understood it was QR code. Okay, QR code. Yep. We use any online software to decode the code. We can? Shit. Your QR code also looks different than fucking mine. Does it not? No, it looks the same. Okay. He supposedly said you could just take any one you want. Any freaking thing and it'll find it, huh? I have no idea. It just says you could just use it. It's like, hey, yeah, you could just do this. Okay. Anyone you want. Got it. I feel like that's 100% a lie because we tried about 100 of them, so we tried everyone on the internet so far. I got another idea. Looking for 38, right? Yeah, I got another idea. Who are we on now? We are on ALORA or Gloria, I guess. Let's see what this guy does. He's got himself, sure as hell has himself a QR code. Yeah, I literally actually tried that, just so you know. We won't be able to see the password. Fucking sweet. I actually did try that one, like right there, just to scan it with my actual phone. Just be like, okay, cool. Can we just scan it then? Yeah, it does not take it. It was like, yeah, it's not a QR code. It was like, good try, but try again, big guy. Actually scanning again, like right now. I can't even find the text for it. So, yeah, I can't even find anything on it. Hey, thanks a lot for follow, guy security. Yeah, it can't find shit on this thing. Let me try it on this bottom right terminal down here. Let me see if that works. I'm going to move my freaking mouse too. Yeah, bottom right terminal saying no text found. Yeah, it's as small as it gets, like right there. Let's go ahead and retake it. No text found. Yeah, you can't. You can't scan with your phone. You can't do anything like that. Yeah, there's nothing we can really do about that. All right, well, that was a good time. Glad the guy showed the password. That was super helpful. So one person says to decode it online. That didn't work. Another person said use your phone. That does not work. Um, Venus, what number is this? Number 36, I guess. Level 36. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man. Well, it looks like we're just kind of stuck here now. Like that's it. Like I mean, you script out as much as you want. We don't know what the hell each pound sign means. We've already tried to reverse the thing for this also. Let me take a thing of his. Even though we already tried this also in a QR code thing. That also did not work. Yeah, it has no idea what the hell this is. That was a fun game. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna send it over to Chad be new because there's really nothing else fucking we can do here. Except for I guess try to find it. I don't that's 21 through 29. 30 to 40. Let's see if this guy did it. We're probably not gonna get the actual thing though now, are we? Yeah. Mission we want what mission are we on? Wait. Which one are we on? We are on 38, right? Thanks a lot for foul and messy. We're on 38. That's not okay, so this is totally different. Okay, 36. Secure could be scanned. Let's try changing those into blocks. Okay. I see what you're saying. Equals black square. I see what you're saying, Cyber. Okay. So literally something like this. Literally something like that, like right there. The black Google. Okay, is that. Okay. So thanks a lot for follow Hiraki. Let's go ahead and try that. I see what you're saying. Okay. Alright, cool. So we got with open path to file. So we actually want image, right? With open image. Okay, so now we believe it's that, like right there. Let's go ahead and we can actually save that, like right there, right? To image one. Okay, so now we have that. We could try to upload that, or we might be able to. Let's go ahead and try to upload that. We'll see if it actually can read it or not. Um, what the hell is it called again? QR code decoder. If not, you can just use my phone, I guess, and I'll just look at it like that, even though I hate QR codes. Image one. Submit query. Okay. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to use my Let's see here. Still not actually taking it. It's actually just looking at it as, that's funny. I should just be able to just use my regular camera, right? To be able to do this right for a QR code scanner, right? Yep, still not taking it. That's pretty funny, like right there. That was very, very funny. That is annoying as shit. That's very, very annoying. Well, it's still not actually taking it. So there's still really nothing we can do about it. Okay, it does not work on my phone. What are you getting back? Like, what is the password for it, eCogs? Because I am not getting it on my phone. My phone is not reading that. eCogs was able to read it somehow. Yeah, I tried it on the one in the terminal. I could not read that with my phone. Links to camgirls site. Guy security, are you serious? I feel like you're lying. There's no way it actually does that. There we go. DZ got it. How'd you get it, DZ? Was that what popped up? Okay, so DZ64. For everybody else that's doing this, I'll leave it up on the screen for like a minute. There it is. DZ64 got it. How'd you get it? Did you use this one like right here and your phone was just able to read it and Guy Security got camgirl site somehow? That was fucking stupid. That took like an hour. And I'm not going to cut any of that out of YouTube also. They will feel the suffering. As usual. And it's, yeah. What? Yeah, it would not, my phone would not scan it. Maybe that's why. Maybe my phone was like, nah, dude, like, this is something dumb. Okay, let's go ahead and it comes up with the password. Okay. Yeah, mine would not scan for some reason. It did not want to take that. Alright, let's see here. We were doing that for so long we got signed out. What was the last password we found? Well, we just found their password, right? So, and that was Alora. Alright, there's that. I don't know if I actually copied that or not. Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. All right, so it's ranking. We in the rank yet? We made it yet? Not yet, huh? Okay, we're on 36, right? Let's see here. User Julie has created an ISO with her password. You know, you hate to see it. Okay, well, hopefully it doesn't take us as long, right? So we gotta try to find this ISO, right? So let's go ahead and do a, there's our ISO, so we can copy. Yeah, of course. Okay. Okay. So just create an ISO where they should be able to mount it, right? Can we mount it then? Or am I gonna have to send it to myself? I feel like we would have to mount it, right? Since it's ISO. Um, how am I supposed to do this one like right here? Because we're gonna have to mount that. So let's go ahead and SCP it over. She's okay. Should be like that, right? Maybe not. I should have to mount it. Music. Use that ISO, right? To, can I do that? We have to, yeah. There we go. Okay, so we got that one. We got to mount it onto us. So, thank you. There we go. Alright, there's that. Did we get the correct amount of flags? Yeah, we did. Okay, cool. Got the mission. The user Irene believes that the beauty is in the difference. Alright, so we gotta do diff. Oh, diff between 1 and 2, I guess, right? So we would have to do diff 1.text to 2.text, right? We'll see what the difference is. Well, there's a difference. Like right there, we got 2 differences. So Irene's a fucking liar. She doesn't know what's different. Let's try that one. Alright, cool, we got it. Something not text. Alright, it looks like we got the public key. So we got a couple things in here actually, so let's see what this is all about. Has lent her password to Irene. Well, she should never do that. So, how the fuck do we look at? Okay, so we have to utilize the probably the not the public key, but we're going to decrypt passing closure. We want to decrypt. Extracting the public keys. Bob and Alice are doing their thing. Yeah. Okay. So we want something like this, like right here, right? This is going to be decrypt, and keys actually going to be this will actually be pass. There we go. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and do a flag. Alright, it's midnight here now. Now I actually do have to go to bed here in a minute. Okay. So that can't be listened to? That can be listened to. Okay, so Papa Paradise, that's her. Or that should be, that's what we got like right there. Morse code text says that's Papa Paradise. I mean, that's really awkward because we have yet to have to actually do anything, you know, like. So we have yet to actually have a word. What a sucker chef. Papa Paradise. That's what he also gets too. Cyber chef there. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Who am I, Callie? And user Sky say the password so they can be listened to. Okay. Is there a space in there or something? What the fuck's going on here? I mean, there's nothing else I could possibly do. That's it. If that is what we're supposed to do, it's just another one of those fucking. It just doesn't work. There's nothing else. That's that's it. Okay. I am beyond confused now. This is the very first time we've actually had a word. And user Sky cannot. That is not her password. So if anybody has any ideas, hey, I am all for it. That's a song name? What? Okay, cool. That's doesn't help out at all. Every other one has been something really weird. Think it's gotta be Coldplay. No, I'm not typing in Coldplay. It is. It's lowercase. That's something else, like right there. Okay, that's something else. This is the very first time we've had a actual thing, though. So we're gonna put that into something.txt also. All right. All right. Let's go. Cat flags. All right. User Sarah uses header. Okay. Um, that shouldn't be the whole header. It shouldn't look like that, right? Key true. Should there be a semicolon again? We don't need host for this guy, do we? That's for fluff. All right, there we go. almost done. It's 41. We're on 42 now. Password Mercy is hidden in this directory. See the period, like right there. Okay. That couldn't be like number 2. Always wrong with the password. Does he have it like spelled the wrong way or something like that? Or is it all caps this time? Yeah, that's what I was seeing that too, bash history. And I was scrolling up to see if the other people had it, and I was seeing freaking if it was bigger than the other ones also. Going right through it. Trust me, she is part of my group of friends. Okay. So, she's part of my group of friends. Carla. Proves it now. It's like the very beginning of it. It's only a matter of time before we get stuck again. Oh gosh, say their password in an image. Ooh, maybe something stupid easy. Hopefully something stupid easy. Let's try like this first. Okay. Not that. What do we want? Try steg seek. What about just steg seek? Can we just extract it like tech xf? No steg file specifies input. Huh? Figure out how to use steg seek. I don't know if there's an actual password with it. Exit tool? Exit tool. There we go. Okay, cool. Binwalk. I did that probably. Nope. Exit tool. Strings. Think so? Yep, right there for strings. Oh man, okay. Where are we at here? User Zona is screaming do as. Okay, so we obviously can do a do as with that user. So we should be able to find user text.text. We should be able to find name do as, right? I don't think we need. Shit. No. Do as Zora, right? So it should just be a do as. I'm not. I do not feel that way. Oh. Denise's password. Nobody knows. We'll never know. Can we scroll back up and get it? Yes. Damn it. Saved it in the image. There we go. User Bellin has left her password in venus.hmv. Okay, so now we just got to find venus.hmv. Or do you think that's an actual site? Oh, no, it's going to be a host site. Because we're in venus.hackmyvm.eu. So that would be a host. Right? And then the local host. Yep. Okay. Did I ever get that flag? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah. Sees that Bell has stolen the password of the user of Leo. Freedom. SU into what's her name? Alright, we're getting there. Almost finished. User able plays a lot with the DNS. Okay, so we obviously want to use dig or something like that, right? Obviously, you're going to do dig with that site. No, that should be ASCII host. That was that. Just a Venus HMV, right? Is that it, like right there? This is actually, we did a whole bunch of these the other day. Whole bunch of dig things the other day. Yeah, we did a whole bunch of stuff the other day with dig. And what was that in Pentester Labs? That was a good one. That was a fun one. The password of Maria is somewhere. The fuck does that mean? No shit, it's somewhere. Got an idea. DZ needs your help. Could search for Maria. Could do that, but I'm thinking it's a password reuse. With that, you think? I don't think it's going to be a password reuse. We can try that though also. Saying as name, you think? Saying something like that. I don't think it would be I don't think it would be a file, right? It's not going to be a directory either. Yeah. But what file would it be in? Yeah. Yeah, type file. But I don't think it's going to be called, like the file name would be called, let's see here. I'm thinking we cut from here over. But I'm not good with cut command. I'm thinking we already have the password. We just got to cut. And let's look at the passwords that we already have, that we know are actual words. Because there's a few that are actual already words, right? And what is Maria? It's Papa Paradise. Also gonna try to capitalize too. Because we got it capitalized last time. And then this one like right here was the one that was never used. Nope, nothing. Don't really use egrep very much though. This will be fun if it finds it. Oh god. Let's try that. And I need to get rid of, I'm thinking, all of these. Pretty much. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not very good with the cut command also, so. Pretty sure it's password reuse, but you know I'm not very good with the cut command, easy. We need to cut pretty much from the slash over. Okay. Because it'll be the second. Okay. So we're getting the cut command here. Yep, we call it something. Yeah, we did call it password.txt, you're right. Password.txt. Print the second one over. We're going to find it from there. That was password.txt, was it? Yeah, password.txt. That's spelled wrong. Cannot file tag F for reading. Yeah, lowercase f. No such file directory. Do I have to just put two of them? Tag D, what are you thinking? Cannot file for reading those file directory. There we go. Sweet. All right, cool. Thank you very much. We only have 50 in there, or 49 in there, so hoping it's password reuse. We also don't have, yeah, we do have pop paradise in there. We should have this thing in there, copied it from the site itself, so. Nothing. What if there's spaces in them or anything like that? That's not gonna work. Nope, no spaces, okay. Try again. But which history though? Because there's nothing in this one. Let's then bash RC. They can bash RC, yeah. Let's then bash RC. egrep's still going. I'm not seeing anything in here. Bash history isn't in this one. Huh. Trying to think of what else. We didn't add, well, we already tried though. I'd be really surprised if we could read that. Yeah, we can't read that. Yep. Nope. Can't read that. Plus, with how they've been going so far, like we're not gonna crack the hash. We've only been able to crack a couple so far. Venus? I think I spelled it wrong. That's a good guess. That's a really good guess. It is not. That was a good idea though. The music went away. Where'd my tool go? Okay. Nope. No. Huh. Hey, this is off the file you jester. This is. I have no idea. Mariah. Maybe it's just Mariah. M-A-R-A. It is not. It's not Venus. I have no. Somewhere on the box. That's not a very good, hint. But I already typed that in. I typed in somewhere. I tried that. Yep, I just did it again. I tried it with the dots. I copied and pasted that. I did that one too. So nothing with those two, like right there. So var log. Try var log. No. No, it is not. What was the host header? Hmm. That one woman had to put in paradise, right? Is it paradise? Damn. Really got excited on that. We tried it with Mariah, or whatever her name is. I'm trying to think of different things that we saw so far. I struck password. Trash. Because we had that one thing say that was surrounded by a bunch of trash. No, who is my daughter's name? No. Hold up. Hey, no, I got an idea. 1 second, DZ. I think I just figured it out. That's her password. Let's see. Password is somewhere on the box. 100% is. Cool. Congrats. Thank you. Woof. Good thing that one person is Sky's my daughter's name, because I was like, I was like, oh wait, which one was the frickin' Morse code one? I was like, oh yeah, it was right before it was Sky's thing. All right, that is it. Thank God.